Hello again. With this watch the things are a little bit different because this watch has been made 20 years before the Omega Pocket Watch. The things here are different to set up the pocket watch hands. Now, like before, we need first to set up the hands. Here, to set up the hands, we need to do that with that small button. Here, we need to push it, but to do that, you see, to do that we can do that only with fingernail. You see, like this. There is no other way to push that button, only with fingernail. You see, like this. When I push it and keep it down, I start spinning the hands again clockwise direction. It's not a problem if you spin them other way, but it's always better to spin them clockwise direction. You see, I keep it down, that button. Now we have to set up the time. The time now is 11:25. Like this. Okay, we are ready. We set up the time. How you see, the watch doesn't work for now. Now we need to wind up it. To do that is the same like the other watch, like the Omega Pocket Watch. Now we need to grab the crown and start spinning that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see, the watch still doesn't turn, but this is because this watch is cylinder balance and is very light, that balance, so we need to wind up the watch at the end to start the watch running. I think we was at 7. I think we were at 7. Now 8, 9, 10, 11. I feel resistance now. I cannot wind up it more. You see, there is a resistance. I cannot wind up it more. The crown now moves only other way, but it moves freely. You don't feel. I don't feel any resistance now, but that way I cannot move it anymore. And you see, now the watch is running. In full winding, this watch will run for about 28-30 hours, because the watch is a little bit smaller than other one, and the mainspring, of course, it's smaller than other one. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.